Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will discuss about how to create scanners using charting.com. Yesterday in the previous video we have discussed that we will not go for such stocks which are trading below 200 SMA as the chances of false breakouts is higher. So we will go with such stocks which are trading above 200 SMA. So how to scan such stocks? Let's see. Click on add symbol, okay. Select close and greater than SMA and make it as 200. So latest close greater than latest 200 SMA. This is on daily basis, right? Now let's run the scan. If I want to select the stocks from cash segment, okay, let's see. So here we have almost got 1600 stocks. Okay, so practically it's very difficult, right? Which stocks we have to select. Now what we will do is we will look for such stocks which are above 200 SMA on weekly basis also. So same process, select close, okay, greater than latest SMA and make it as 200. Now change it to weekly and weekly SMA. Run the scan again. So now we can see that we are left with only 537 stocks. Okay. Now let's add one more filter. Okay, that is monthly close should be greater than monthly SMA 200. Right. So again greater than SMA, make it as 200, change it to monthly. Run the scan again. So now you can see that we are left with only 159 stocks. It's quite simple, right? So it will save a lot of time if you use charting scanner. So apart from these, what we will do is we will add volume filters also. That is latest volume must be greater than at least 5 lakhs. Okay, I will not go with such stocks where volumes is less than 5 lakh. Okay, so I will look for such stocks, okay, where the volume is greater than 5 lakhs on daily basis, weekly basis as well as monthly basis also. So same way we will add volumes on weekly basis also as well as daily also, monthly also. Okay. So make it weekly and finally we will go for monthly. So let's run this scan again. So if you do like this, see how much time it took, friends? Hardly 2 minutes, right? So when I ran this filter by using daily 200 SMA, we got somewhere around 1600 stocks. And when I have added further filters using weekly and monthly basis. Now we are left with only 67 stocks. Okay. Now let's look any stock, right? For example, let's see Aarti Drugs. Okay. So for that, go to investing.com. Okay. Type Aarti Drugs here. So now what I will do is I will look after the support and resistance levels. Okay. Now let's draw you can see that almost 800 rupees is the resistance. Okay, always select weekly chart, friends. Okay, now I can see that somewhere around 800 is the resistance, and once RTDrex crosses 800 levels, then only I will enter into the stock by keeping 900 as my first target. Okay, by keeping 900 as my first target, and my stop loss will be somewhere around close of this candle, that is 750, so that my risk reward will be 1:3. Okay, so I hope, friends, now you understood the importance of this charting scanner. Okay, so whatever parameters you use, you can do it with the help of charting scanner, so that it will save a lot of time. So hope you have understood, friends, how to use this scanner. If you have any doubts, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.